Okay, Assalamualaikum, Ryan. We go through yesterday's paper, can? Are you okay with that? We go through because it's a revision, so we go through one by one. Okay, if you can do, that's great. If not, yeah. Okay, this is Swiss cottage punya thing. Okay, so this one, do you remember how we do it? I can change the question. I can, but we use this one first. Do you remember how to do this one? Is A plus B squared. Okay, you tell me now. Okay, I'm gonna do A plus B squared. A plus B squared. So the expansion will be what? A squared. The last one is B squared. Center is 2AB. This one you must practice, then you can see the pattern, you know. You don't practice, you can't see the pattern. So now down here now, you must create this thing. 1 or 2 is equals to, we use 100 plus 2 square. So down here is here. Down here will be what? 100 square. See, A will be square now. The last one, 2 also will be square. Then you get 2AB. 2 times 100, A is here, B is here. You can see 2AB. So 2 times 100 times 2. You get 400 lah. Yeah, right on here. Are you confused by this one? Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, I will now give you this one. Okay, now we have A plus B square. You expand, and then you tell me what's the answer. And then A minus B. You expand. You know this one is A minus B times A minus B. A plus B times A plus B, yeah? So what's the final answer here and down here? You must be able to know the pattern now. What's the difference? If you are still unsure what is this, it's like that, A times B times A plus B times A plus B. Then you got the fire, the missile lah. See what missile is that? A times A times B, B times A, B times B. You get it, eh? Oh, you got the answer already. A squared plus B squared. Ah, you have forgotten. Look. A times A squared. A squared here. Then A times B, you know, AB. You get 1 AB lah. Then B times A, another AB. So how many ABs? 2 ABs. Then B times B, you get B squared. You try the next one now. You expand this one now. A minus B squared. So, sorry. So A minus B lah. A minus B, A minus B. You times together, what do you get? You must be able to see the difference, to be able to do this question. Okay. Let's see. We do together. We do together. Ryan, you check. You see. I'm going to expand. A times A squared. First one is correct. A squared. A times B. Now this is plus times minus. You minus AB. Then minus B times A down here. Minus AB also. Then the last one is minus B times minus B. Minus times minus will give you plus B squared. So watch, it's actually A squared here, B squared here, and it's also plus, Only the center one, you owe minus one. So down here you see, good. The difference is the center become from plus become minus. Can, Okay, now let's say we change the question. We change the question, say, and they say you cannot use calculator, but you must use this expansion now. They say we want to know what is 99 square. And they ask you to use this one. What number are you going to put to make 99? 100 minus what? Get 99 minus 1. So we took 100 minus 1, 100 minus 1. Now you follow the expansion here. Can you see this A means the first one? So it means what? 100 square. Can you see not? You can't hear me? You can't hear me? Why? Can you hear me now? Okay, I'll go closer there. Can you see down here this one? The first one is A square. So 100 square. The last one is also plus B square. B is here. So it's also plus 1 square. 1 square is also 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Only the center one, Ryan, is minus. Minus what? 2 AB. What is A is 100. And what is B? B is 1. This is how you do without calculator. So 100 times 100, you add the zero. 2020, 4 zeros. Become 10,000 already. Can see now. Minus 2 times 100, 200. Plus 1. So your answer is 9,801. Finish like that. Do you get it? Roughly. Okay, but we need to practice for that. We need to practice for that. Okay, now we move on. We move on to the next one. Okay, next one now. This one, are you tested or not? This thing. Are you tested? This one? Yes. So you know what does one dot represent? This one dot is what? Is 1%. Okay, every dot represents 1%. 1 hour, no. The hours here, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. This dot represent the people. So what does this mean? 2.0, what does it mean? Means 2% don't watch TV at all. Can? This one you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7% they watch 1 hour of TV every day. You get it? Let's say this one. 1, 2, 3. 7%, 3% watch 7 hours of TV. You get it? So how to calculate the mean? You must find the total number of hours watched divided by the number of people. That is mean. Can you find the total number of hours? We go one by one. Okay, we do together. Okay, you tell me now. How many hours watched down here? How many hours watched down here? Not 2, 0. 2% watch 0. No. Be careful, 0. This one, how many hours? 1. 7%. 7% what? So 7%, 1 hour means 7 hours. Good. 2%. 2 hours by 2, 4, 5. 5%. How many? You type in. 5%. Yes, 10 hours here. This one, how many hours they watch? 0. This one 0. This one? No, 5. This one. 4 persons, they watch 5 hours. 20, good. This one, next one. 2 persons, 6 hours. 12. Next one. 3 persons. 21. Good. So you must add up the formula, Ryan. Total divided by number of people to get mean. Average mean is average lah. Total number of hours. All this you must add. Divide by number of people. How many people there? 2, 4. You count lah. How many number of people, and then we see whether you are correct. Okay. T is what? Total number of hours. This one, all this, add up all this one. T, all this one, now you must add the one that we calculate. N is number of people. You all these dots, all the dots must come. I think there's 20%, Is that 20%? 5, 9, 10, 14, or more. 16, 20, 23, I think. 23%. Correct, right? Okay, I write the percents in blue, in green. 2 down here, 4, 7 down here, 5 down here. I think 23, right? So your total number of hours divide by 23%. Three hours. Okay, so let's see. I'll round off. Okay, let's see. 7 plus 10, 17, 17, 37, 37 plus 49, 49, 50, 70. Okay, 70 divided by 23. You got this one, 70 divided by 23. Yes, right? Yes, okay. So let us see. You round off. I just check here. 17 divided by 23. Yeah, okay. Yeah, 3 hours roughly. So you understand how to find the mean, Mean means average. Just like in class, you got so many students, how much money each student get for pocket money. Let's say there are 20 students in your class. You calculate all the money, you collect, you find $300. Then you must divide by the number of students. You get average or mean. That's one way. Now we are going to another one. They tell you about mode. Mode means the highest number it occurs. So let us go. You tell me now, what is the mode in this diagram? Mode means the highest number of people doing that something. What is it? 1 hour. So down here, yes, 1 hour is the mode. Good. Well done. Okay. So mean is different. Now, median. Have you heard of median? There are 23%. Can you annotate? Can you annotate? Cannot. Can. So now you tell me now, where is the median? Median means middle position. Let's say now this is your class. Everyone line up, they stand against the wall. And then from shortest to tallest. Ever done that in school, right? I mean MPCC or whatever they do like that. So now the median is what? Is the centermost. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say there's 9. So they go for the middle one, which is number 5. See, what's the height of number 5? You see 1.7 meters. Okay, the median height is 1.7. That is what median means. So can you tell me now there are 23% here that's not be calculated. What is the median? The median, which number is it? But you must give the value. That means, is it 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, whatever. You must find the, don't say 5. 5 is the person. Median is the value. Okay. You know how to find median? Then down here, I show you the 9%, right? How do I know number 5? I just take 9, number of persons plus 1, become 10, divide by 2. Then you get number 5. So you take 23 plus 1 divided by 2. That is your position. What's the position now? 23 plus 1 divided by 2. What do you get? Number 12. No, not 12. Calculation error. 23 plus 1 divided. Yeah, correct. Sorry. My calculation error. Okay. So now we find out which one. What do you think is the value of number 12? The 12 dot. What is the value? Is it 5? Is it 6? Is it 7? Is it 2? Is it 1? Is it 0? The 12 dot. Say how to count 12. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until you reach number 12. What is the value? 2 hours. Okay, let us see whether you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. The 12% watches 2 hours. So the median is 2 hours. You get it or not? You get it? Okay, sometimes when I explain to you, I'll write position 1 to 2. You remember, ever see me writing hand? Then position 3 to 9. This is what I mean. This is, we are arranging them. This one's position 10 to 14. Then we check, who is in the middle position? Plus 1 divided to 12. Or in this ratio, answer is 2. You get it? Tired already? You go to school today? Play soccer? No. Play soccer? Wow, every day you play soccer. But it's good. This, I have some students, they COVID period, I think 1 year, they don't play any games, you know. Oh, that's not good. Okay, now down here. Mode, remember what mode? There's not, ask you what's mode, you say number 1 hour. Correct. So now you read carefully, and they tell you the mode is 3. The mode is 3, yeah? Okay. So we go one by one. Number of times people visited the gym is shown. 0 visits, 2%. They don't even go to gym. 7% go to once, 6% go twice. This we don't know how many. But they say what's the smallest possible number. But they say this is the mode, you know. This here is the mode. So what is the smallest possible value, Ryan? What is X? Smallest. Zero. If you put 0 means no one went for 3 hours. What is mode? Remember we went down here. Mode means the highest number of people are going, watching. So now down here, this one is supposed to be the highest number. What is the 1? If you 1% is not the highest, this one got 2%, 7%, 6%. Now currently, what's the highest number? If you don't look at X, highest number is which one? 7. Your X must be bigger than 7. Otherwise, it cannot be the mode. If once be mode must be higher than, yes, that is the smallest possible. You know why they don't ask you for largest possible? There's no n. Some of your friends say 9, another one say 10, another one say 1 million, 2 million, zillion, no n. So they ask you for smallest. You get it right? Okay. Now down here now. If this is 8, if this is 8, we take as 8, right? What is the median? You got to count the number of people plus 1 divided by 2, look for the value. You know what to do? You know what to do? You calculate the total number of people plus 1 divided by 2, then look up where the position is. First question, I'll ask you, how many persons went to the gym? assuming X is 8, you get 15. Okay, that's, it means what? The total is 15. 60, okay, we count. There's 2 persons here. Oh, you round off. Okay, hold on. Now for positioning, let's see. 2 persons, 7, 9, 9, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 27 plus 1, 28. So there's 28 persons. Plus 1. Plus 1. Then divide by 2. Don't run off for this one, don't run off, okay? What do you get? You get 14 and a half. So you must find out what position is this. You get 30. Not, okay, I count again. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 5. And 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 20, yeah, okay, you're 30. Yeah, you are right. You're right. 30, yeah. So 30 down here. 30 plus 1 divided by 2, 15 and 15.5. 15.5, huh? Okay, now you must find now. Which position is 15.5? 15.5, which, this one is now from 1 to 2. This one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 to 9, 7%. You must find out which one is it. Next one down here is number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice I count 6. Can see now? 2, 15. The next one down here, 16. How I get? Because there's 7% here. Okay, now we imagine now I change this to dot lah. I change this to dot, okay, so that you can see clearly. This one we assume 8. You do histogram. 1, 2. So this one position 1, position 2. Son, 7%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on. Okay. How many is that? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Ryan, you see Ryan, this is number 3, number 4, number 5. Dah mabuk dah. Don't mabuk. Wake up. Don't mabuk ah. Don't mabuk lah. Don't become like my others. Sudah mabuk. Last week I 3% mabuk, no. Indian, aku pun mabuk juga. Okay. Down here, can you see now, number 3 to number 9? Can you see now? These are the number of people. Imagine now they are now 6% now. So see, I go 6x again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This x all represent the persons, you know. You know what I mean? So this one now become position 10 to 15. Do you get it? You get it? I don't think you get it. You don't get it. But you understand what I'm doing here, not? No. The histogram, okay, you don't get it. Okay, I'll show you. This one is same like this. I go and draw it up lah. Okay, we do. Down here, can see number 2 here. You can see number 2. This one 2. 1 hour got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just nice. This one 2, 7. Correct. Can see not? The next one got 6. Got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put one more lah. I'll make it 6. I use this one, okay? This one you understand, right, Ryan? 6. Number 3 is 8, right? That's now you put 8, right? 1. Until 8 lah down here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lah. Let's see, alamak. 7. Okay. 7, 8. So I put a position, watch. This is position 1, position 2. Do you agree? Can you see now? See down here got 2 persons, what? Position 1 and 2. Some got 7, you know. Position 3, position 4, position 5, 6, 7. I got extra. 8, 9, which one? This one? This one, which one? Down here got extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, what? The rest I don't draw lah. This one I don't draw. This one got 7. Okay, this one 1 to 2. Correct or not? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, never mind, never mind. But you understand what I'm doing, not? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lah. Hold on, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, you can go on. Okay, I'm not gonna that thing because just now we found out already. What did we find out? Remember, you did this, you found out that 30 plus 1. There's 30% here, right? Plus 1, it becomes 31. Then 31 divided by 2. Remember now? You get 15.5. Now I need to find position 15.5. 15 is here, 16 is here. How? I must plus this 2 divided by 2. Because 15 is here, 16 is here, I don't round off now. I take 15. What's the value for 15? 2. What's the value for 16? 3. Plus the 2 divided by 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 divided by 2. Answer is 2.5 is the median. If the answer, let's say, is just 15, you just take this one, 2. If the answer is 16, you just take 3. But if 15.5 in between, if let's say it's 14.5, no problem, Ryan. 14.5 in between here is 2 hours, confirm. But this one is 1 down here, 1 down here. So you got to add together, divide by 2. Are you okay? All right. Do you score any goal? No. You let in any goal? Let in. Let in lah. It's okay lah. You played keeper today? No. Keeper. I wish I can play soccer. My legs are all gone. I'm just so sad. Okay, you know how to do this one? Remember, when we change to times, this side down here must do the flip. This one go up, this one go down. Yesterday you tried? Can try now. You try. Physical class, I do. Oh, physical class no more lah, because I went to Andalus, and then the one at Bukit Batok, the owner don't want me to come in because in competition, I cannot do secondary school there. I can only do primary school. So I realized my mistake was to let go the primary school students because some still need to. Oh, you are studying there? Andalus? Okay. So after that, I went to Andalus. I had an agreement, but there were too few students that I brought in. So the owner say too small lah. You can get bigger numbers. But how to do? I'm one person. So I said, no. The old place, the owner wants me to focus only in primary. In fact, now he said there's no more primary class now, only secondary and JC, and he want to do science because secondary can charge more money, can earn more. Primary is lower. So okay lah, I say, never mind lah. I want to start my own, but too costly lah. I started actually in 2019. Habis rugi lah. Maybe not meant to be lah. Can or not? 6 over, yeah. Okay, well done. Okay, so you must follow alphabetical order. So in this case is 6 over, because P comes before R, right? PQR. So you do like that, but you put the 2 down here. So automatically don't need to put bracket because they know the square belongs to the P. So well done. You got it like that, right? Correct, yeah? Okay, well done, well done. Okay, now we try the next one. You remember prime factorization, remember that? Okay, I show you down here on this one. You, let's say you want to do prime factorization. Basically, let's say the number 40 lah. You start division, divide by 2. You must start by 2 first, no? Then you get 20. Can divide by 2 again? Can. You get 10. Can divide by 2 again? 2. Okay, you can get 5. Don't go to 3, just go to 5 step. Divide by 5. So now, you know, okay, good. Okay, so you try. Okay, we want 36 and 60 in prime factorization. Good. Is it 25? For which one? MCQ, HCF, or the first one? First one. Okay, first one, you got to do like this, no? You got to find out what is the prime factorization. 36. 30 equal 13. But this is 36. Huh? Which one? Huh? You can see that. Maybe you see the wrong number. Are you can see now? So you must give me prime factorization, which is like 2 to the power of 3 times 4 times 3 to the power or something like that. So we can, you can do like that. 36. You must start dividing lah to, then you get what? 18, 2, 9. Now 2 cannot go move to 3. 3. 2 to the power 3, yes. So down here for 36, 2 to the power of 2 to the power 2, yeah, correct, times 3 to the power 2. Okay, correct. Well done. So that is for this one, what was 60? Two to the power 2 times 3 to the times 5. Okay, correct. Well done. So you have gotten 2 to the power 2 times. So you remember this is called product of prime factors, or sometimes they call it prime factorization. They might call it prime factorization. Factorization. You must remember this is what they're asking you for. Now from here now, you can tell what is the lowest common factor, lowest common multiple. But many students don't know what this is. No, lowest common factor, highest common factor. See down here. Can you see now? Highest common factor. What they say highest common factor? They are saying what is the biggest number 36 and 60 can be divided by. So what do you think? Say 2. Say 2 is not big. 4 can get bigger than that. Okay, what is the biggest number both can be divided by? So now you know how to do that? You can look at your prime factorization and you can tell, Okay, there's a way. 6. I think this. Okay, let's see whether you're correct. Okay, I use the prime factorization watch. I see. Both of them can have 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4. Both got 3. But only one of them got 3 to the power 1, 3 power 2. So I take the smaller one times 3. This is the biggest number. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. You don't believe, you try. 36 divided by 12. Can you divide not? 60 divided by 12. Can you divide? You try? Can or not? Whole number, right? So that means from here you can tell, Say how to tell. You take the same number, they say 2 to the power 2 to the power 2. Okay, that means you must take this number. If one got 3, another got 3, also can take, but take the smaller one, which is 3 to the power 1. So this one now is your highest common factor. Means the biggest number both number can divide by. That's what it means. What about this one? This one now, let's say you want to do fraction like that. 1 over 36 plus 1 over 60. Now some students say very easy. You times this by 36, you times this by 60. Can, but it's very big lah. This is not the lowest number. So lowest number means, we can get a number smaller than this. What is the number? I'll show you now. How to find the number? Okay, you watch, okay? I just show you again. I will remove this one now. Okay. Now, Ryan, we take the biggest one. Okay, 2 squared, you take 2 squared now because that's the biggest. 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, you take 3 to the power 2, take the bigger one. And then 5, only one got, also just put it in also. This is now your biggest, lowest common factor. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 9, 36. 36 times 5, 180. So the 1 over 36 plus, let's say 1 over 60. Let's say we have these two numbers. Don't just take 60 times 36. 60 times 36, you know what number is it? Very big, Let's see, 60 times 36. You get 2,000. You see this number? The denominator is so big, lah. So now, when you use down here, actually, you just times this by 3. Times by 3. Why times 3? Because I know the LCM is 180. This one can be 180. This one times by 5. Times by 5. You will get 180. You will not get a denominator so big like that. You get the lowest possible denominator is 180. So when we do this now, we are finding the denominator as if. And when we finding the highest common factor, what's the biggest number both can divide by? Are you okay, roughly? Okay, we need revision now on this. Okay, most of the students, so far all the students I taught, when I revise all this, they all forgot. So you don't feel too bad that you forget lah. But don't feel happy so lah. Say, everyone also forget. Don't be happy lah. But I'm just telling you so you don't feel too bad, This one now. Yesterday, could you solve it? You try. Now, there's two ways, right? You want to make one of them. You can make this 5x now. You times by 5, times by 5, times by 5. Then you minus. X will disappear. Can you see? You can make one of them the same. We can times this by 5, times by 5, times by 5. And then here minus here, here doesn't matter. What the X will disappear. I don't know how, even after my teacher teach. Okay, no problem. Okay, then we go to easier one. First of all, do you know what we are doing now? This one. They say down here. Can you see? Solve. Solve means they want to know what's X, what's Y. You know what they're doing now? They are doing this, you know. This is actually what? It's actually a graph. This one is actually a graph, you know. Just now you saw the equation, right? X plus Y, what? Is one line, another line. Where they cut each other, you have an X value, Y value. That is what you're finding out. That's why they call this simultaneous equation. You get it or not? What you're doing here, Ryan, is actually, you are doing graph. This is actually graph. This is a graph. So where they cut, and then you find X equals to how many? Y equals to how many? Is the point of intersection. So I want you to understand why, so that this become meaningful for you. Now, otherwise, I do not know what I'm doing. I find X, Y. I don't know what I found. Okay, maybe I found the girl of my dreams, something like that. No, it's not that. This is graph lah. Nothing to do with that. So now, how to do this one? Okay, now down here. So we start with this lah. Okay. I want you to again understand the concept. So what is the concept? Let's say now 2x plus y. Let's say we know x. Let's say now we plan. We know x is 5. Okay, x is 5. Look, we plan first. So that we understand. Okay, hold on. Where is it? So x is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Y, let's say, is 3 lah. Okay. Y is 3. Come on. I see my pen disappear. Okay, y is 3. So 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3, 13 lah. Okay, good. So remember this 5 and 3, you know what it is when you draw? Later there'll be one line like that. Another line, let's say, like this lah. So this one is say, oh, down here, x is 5. Down here, y is 3. This is what it is. The final solution is actually a graph cutting. But now, I use another way lah. Okay, this one is equation 1. Now you have another one, x plus y. X is 5, y is equals 8. Okay. So now how to do this one? Say, hey, I don't know. This one we know because I'm giving you. Let's say we don't know. How to find? I must get rid of one of it. So I take 1 minus 2 lah. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So I say 1 minus 2. What do I get? 1 minus 2. 13 minus 8. I get 5. Okay. Y minus y. No more y. 2x minus x. I get x lah. X equals to 5. Yeah, correct. So what am I doing? I'm trying to get rid of one of the unknown. Once I found this one, I can put the value inside here or here, up to us. So I can say, okay, substitute. Normally you put like substitute x equals to 5. Put it inside 1 or 2 lah. Okay, I put inside 2 lah. What do they mean? Say, hey, just put this inside down here. No, so we put inside here, what do you get? 5 plus y lah equals to 8. Then what is y? Y equals 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Oi, you got answer. But step 1, what is step 1? You got to get rid of one of these. So there's two ways. So I show you another one. Another one is not so, okay, let's say you have x plus y equals, we give another number lah. Now I don't tell you what the number is, okay? Okay, x plus y equals to 7. Then down here got 2x plus 3y equals to 19. How to find? You see, I call this 1, but I cannot minus. You see, I minus, I got extra now. 2x minus x, I got balance x. 3y minus y, I got balance y. So I need to times this equation. I need to times this one. I need to times to make the x the same or y the same. Which one you want to make the same? X or y? Dah penat lah dia, dah penat lah. Mata tak boleh tengok lah. Tired eh? Just, okay, we try. Well, I got confused with substitution. Okay. Substitution, okay. Substitution means you put in the value. Okay, now I show a different color. You already found out what is x. No? Now you can put the final down here. Oh, no. Look, down here I put the value like final. I put inside. You know final, right? The value of x is 5. Now I put this one become 5 lah. 5 plus what equals to 8? 5 plus 3. Substitute means put inside the value to change. Down here, or you can put them one down here. You can put down here 5 lah. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus what equals to 13? 10 plus 3, y equals to 3. Substitute means to put inside the value. That's one meaning. That's one meaning. There's another substitution method. Don't worry about that. I'll show you later. But do you understand this one? Put in the value, you know, right? No, you don't know. You know lah. Okay, you don't know. Okay, I show you now. Don't know. Let's say now I give you x is 3. So I write 3x plus 2y is equals to 19. Can you find what is y? You find. You know what's x, right? What's your answer? Okay, y is 17. If y is 17, 2 times 17 is 34 down here. You must put what's the value of x inside here. X is 3. So I write it again. 3x. Can you see now? Look right in there. I put in now the value of x. I substituted the value of x. Instead of having x, I substitute with 3. 3 times 3, 9. X is 5. No, there x is 3 here. Oh, you're taking the previous question. Okay, now x is 3 lah. So 9 plus 2. So you bring the 9 over. Can or not? So equal 19. Then 19 minus 9. Then you get 2y equals to 10. Y equals to 5. So this thing you put in the value, this is called substitution. You replace. That's all there is. So there's now, when you already find it, right? Substitute x equals to 3 into equation 1. This is what you're doing. You're already doing. You have been doing for a long time actually. So you get it, So now we go back to this one now. Now we have this equation 2x plus 3y. Okay, let's say I give a new equation here. 2x plus 3y is equals to let's say hold on. 19. And then down here got x plus y equals to 8. How to do this one? We got to get rid of one of them. So get rid of what? One of the unknown here. This is x, x. Can you get rid of x by minusing? 2x cannot. So, but if you want to get rid, you can. You times this one by 2. Then you times by 2. Then you watch what happened. This one 8 times 2 becomes 16. Can you see now? I put it here. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times y, 2y. Now you can minus. Can you see now? 19 minus 16, what do you get? 3. 3 minus 2y, get y. X, 2x minus 2x, no more. Y equals to 3. You already found out what y is. Then what do you do after that? This one you say you didn't get it. Substitute y equals to 3. You can put inside which one? Which one you want? Equation 1, equation 2, which one? Anyone lah. You just work here, say into equation, let's say equation 2 lah. So now we write 2x. I copy exactly. 2x, I write 2x plus 2y. I know y. What? I substitute y. I put 2 bracket 3 down here. Equals to 16. So now I get 2x plus 6 equals 16. I bring the 6 over. 2x is equals to 10. You get it. 16 minus 6 is 10. So I get 2x equals to 16 minus 6 is 10. X equals to 5. Now you found both. So what do you find? X equals to 5, y equals is the intersection between two of the graph. This is a graph. This is a graph. They cut down here. So now we go to that question. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. Okay. Down here, can you see this one's x? Some 5x. Can you times this thing by 5 times by 5? Then you minus. You get rid of the. You know what I mean? How? Are you okay? How? Okay, we try. You see, we follow step by step, okay? Step 1, we can call this equation 1. Step 2, we can call this equation 2, but let us times both side by 5 first. You times this by 5, you times this by 5. So what happens is this one become 5x. This one become 5x. Oh, sorry. You times by 5, right? So it becomes 5x. 5 times 2y becomes 10y. Becomes 10y, and then this one becomes negative 15. We call this equation 2. So far, are you okay? Okay, now we take equation 1 minus equation 2. Let us see what happens. Down here now, 7 must minus this 15, but watch no, 7 minus 15. Can you see now? It becomes 7 plus 15, 22 lah. Then down here how? Okay, let us see now. You can actually put it at like a bracket like that. If you want, if you let's say you do not want to be confused, you bracket up, you can put down here, sorry, you can put like this. 5x minus y, bracket, minus 5x plus 10y. Like that. Then we remove the bracket now. 5x minus y. Now be careful. Minus and plus minus 5x. Minus and minus minus 10y. So can you see 5x minus 5x? This one disappear. You owe $1, you owe $10, you owe $11 equals to 22. You want to find what is y? 22 divided by negative 11. Your answer is negative 2. Y equals to negative 2. Okay, this one's okay so far? You understand it's negative 2? Yes. Now we do this one, the substitute. Sub SUB is okay now. Sub what? Y equals to negative 2. Into what? Up to you. Want into 1, into 2, up to you, anything. So I put into 1 lah. Sorry, into 1 lah. Into 1. So I put into 1, what do I get? 5x, I still don't know 5x. Minus y, I know what is y, right? Minus 2, I put it inside like that. See, I put in a bracket, equals to 7. Watch, minus minus equals to plus, you know. Look carefully, 5x plus 2 equals to 7. Now, what happened? You bring the plus 2 over that side, become minus 2. 7 minus 2 equals to 5 lah. So what is x? X is 5 divided by 5 lah. Get 1. How, Ryan? Ryan. Tired, Ryan. It's okay. At least you're absorbing. You're getting that. But we need more time actually. We need more time. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe we can try to catch up now. Your exam is in first week, right? First week of your mom sent me. I asked your mom actually. Let me see. Your exam when is your exam? She sent me the. You know. This is year 1. Yours is on the 12th of October. 12th October, like 2 weeks, 15 October. Okay. So maybe I don't know, maybe we can squeeze 1 or 2 more extra lessons so that you can catch up. Okay, Ryan, is it okay? You take care of yourself, keep yourself safe. It's good that you're exercising. Wonderful. Okay, take care. All right. Assalamualaikum.